it's come to my attention that a lot of people don't know how to mod Lethal Company. You're going to need Thunderstore. I'll put the link in the description. Thunderstore is attached to Overwolf. Overwolf is like an overlay. I think Overwolf is fucking but you need it. There's probably some other way to do this. This is the easiest way for people who don't really know how to mod. First thing we're going to do is going to click on this, get app. Then we're going to click again, get app. We're going to install it to our desktop. Alright, you click on it. Accept. Going to want just English. We're going to go ahead and put a shortcut. You don't have to. You can change where it's downloaded. Accept terms of use. Don't add any of this stuff unless you actually use it, and I'm going to be honest, it's probably just bloatware. Like I said, there's an in-game overlay and stuff. You don't have to use any of this. We're just going to use the mod manager, and then we're going to be done with it. Now it's going to download. As you can see, we already have the emblem. Press launch. Alright, so this is the Thunderstore mod manager. Now it's pretty easy. You just type in Lethal Company. You'll see the game. Select game. Alright, now the first thing you're going to get is this. You're just going to select profile. Okay, so this is what yours is going to look like. You're not going to have any mods. Now, you can go to the website or you can click here, and these are all the mods that are on the website. Now you can sort and do, who has the highest download count. So the first thing you're going to need is the BEP and X pack. So type in BEP in, this was pinned, BEP and X pack. Click download, and you'll see the version, download with dependencies. So now, go back to your mods. It's right here. If you want to turn off a mod, click here. This will disable it. Something to keep in mind is if you're using this mod manager at all, you should launch this mod manager, and if you want to play vanilla, you can click this and it'll launch the game in a vanilla state. If you click this will launch your modded game. If you launch this through Steam, I'm pretty sure it'll crash or it's gonna fuck up. So always choose this manager, pull it up, and either choose the modded or the vanilla. So let's get something that we can easily see. And let's do the reserve flashlight mod. Gives a free dedicated flashlight slot on the right side of your screen. Can be toggled with F to activate the flashlight at any time. So let's download this. Download the dependencies. And you go back to your mods. Now, if you saw, it said download with dependencies. So in order for this flashlight mod to work, it needs the reserved item slot core. And this is the foundation for the mod that works for other things. There's a mod that does the same thing with this, but for a walkie-talkie, but we don't have that. But you're going to need this anyway if you get that later. So it just did it all for you. Always download with dependencies. And it's on. You can favorite them or donate or whatever. So let's run it real quick and see if it works. If you see this command prompts, you'll generally know that it's generally working. We'll pick online. I'm just going to load in a save I've already got started just to show you. As you can see in the lower right, there's another square. So if I pick up a flashlight, I can't fucking start. Pick up a flashlight. And now I can hold a bunch of stuff, and at any time I can turn on and off the flashlight. And that's how easy it is to mod Lethal Company. It's really simple. So really quick, when you're playing with friends, you all have to have the same mods. Now, I'm not sure how it goes if you already both have the mod manager and you try to join. I don't think it tries to download the mods for you. It's really a lot easier if you just have friends and you coordinate with each other and you have the same mods. So just FYI, if someone doesn't have the same mods, they won't be able to join the lobby. Alright, let's go back. Something you need to be aware of is certain mods need to be read. And this is true for modding for anything. You always should read what the modder says to do, or you should read what he says. Here's an example of something that you should read, and this doesn't give the full example. So if I go to the website, TV loader allows custom videos to be played on the TV. In order to get whatever video you want in this mod, you go down here, it says adding videos, create a custom mod, add a folder called plugins/television videos, and put all your MP4 files in there. So if you drag it to the right spot and you do what this says, it'll play the video when you turn it on. If this doesn't work, you'll just see like a frozen screen, and you'll hear the default. So yeah, that's how you mod it. It's very simple.